Good morning. We are going to solve now problem 5.9 from your textbook, page 144. The balance sheet of Capital Bank appears as follows. We have the assets on the left side and liabilities and equities or liabilities and maturities on the right side. We have the amount of short-term securities 220. We have the duration 6 months. Please pay attention that each duration should be converted into years. So I have to divide 6 by 12 and I will get 0.5 years. Here the fixed rate loan 700, duration 8. Here, for example, fixed rate 270, duration 30 months. I'm going to divide into 12 and I will get 2.5 years. Let's start. Calculate the duration of this balance sheet. The formula, for sure, as you know, it's duration of assets minus total liabilities over total assets times duration of liabilities. I will divide my work in two parts. The first part, I have to calculate the duration of assets. Duration of assets, it's 220 over total assets 1000 times the duration 0.5. So I will get 220 over total assets 1000 times 6 months, it means 6 over 12, it means 0.5 years, plus 700 over total 1000 times 8, I will get 5.71, or I have another method to write the equation. It's 220 times duration 0.5 plus 700 times duration 8, and I will divide by 1000 total assets and I will get 5.71 years. The duration of liabilities is the same concept, 560 over total liabilities, and not total liabilities and net worth. Total liabilities, it means 560 plus 270, I will get 830, or total liabilities is equal 1000 minus 170. So 560 over 830 times 0.5, 0.5, it means 0.5 plus 270 over 830 times 30 months, it means 30 over 12, it's equal to 2.5, and I will get 1.15. Now, in order to calculate the duration gap of the balance sheet, duration of assets, it's 5.71, already calculated. I will put arrows here. Minus total liabilities over total assets. Total liabilities 830, total assets 1000, and the duration of liabilities already calculated, it's 1.15. So I will get 5.76 years. Now part B, assuming that the required rate of return is 8%, it means what would be the effect on the bank's net worth if interest rates increased by 1%? An increase by 1%, it means it's delta I. Delta I equal 1%. The formula is change in net worth minus duration gap. It means minus 4.76 times delta I over 1 plus I. Delta I is the change in interest rate. It's already given 1%. I will put 1 over 1 plus I. 1 plus 0.08 because the interest rate is given as 8%. So I will get a result of minus 4.41%. It means the net worth would decline by 4.41%. Now part C, suppose that the expected change in net worth is unacceptable to management. What outcome could management take to reduce this change? So we have to move or to change, to skip from assets to liabilities. We have to change the duration. So the bank could alter the duration of its assets and liabilities. Specifically, it could shorten the duration of assets and lengthen the duration of liabilities. Thank you for your attention.